Soul food is more than cooking. It is about history. It is about family. These recipes are full of love. They bring people together. From the American South, soul food tells a story. It speaks of resilience and resourcefulness. Each dish has a history. Each ingredient has a purpose. Soul food welcomes everyone. It is about sharing and community. It is about enjoying good food with good company. Let's cook. Buttermilk fried chicken is a soul food star. It is crispy on the outside. It is juicy on the inside. The secret is in the buttermilk brine. Soak chicken pieces in buttermilk. Add salt and pepper. Let it rest for a few hours. This makes the chicken tender. Dredge the chicken in seasoned flour. Fry it until golden brown. The hot oil seals in the flavor. Serve it hot. Enjoy it with sides like collard greens and cornbread. Mac and cheese is pure comfort food. It is creamy, cheesy, and delicious. It starts with a roux. A roux is butter and flour cooked together. Add milk to the roux. This makes a creamy sauce. Slowly stir in your cheese. Cheddar is a classic choice. Cook macaroni noodles. Mix them with the cheese sauce. You can bake it or eat it straight away. It is always a crowd pleaser. Candied yams are a sweet treat. They are perfect for a special meal. Yams are roasted until tender. Mix butter, brown sugar, and spices. Pour this over the yams. They are roasted again until caramelized. The yams become soft and sweet. The spices add warmth and flavor. This dish is a celebration of simple ingredients. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.